The Ryan International Group of Institutions keeps in touch with its alumni and loves interacting with them on a regular basis. One such interaction took place on 13th December when our alumni met and interacted with none other than respected Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto. Being a perfectionist himself, Dr. A.F. Pinto shared his views on leadership and how being a good leader helps in functioning of a successful organization.
I believe in one thing, one life God gives me. Do as much as you can to the people, to the children of this nation. That is my mission.
Many of the alumni also shared their opinions and experiences on different leadership qualities that have helped them grow.
I moved in this school when I was in 7th standard. So it was a big transition for me personally. It was a very welcoming experience because all the teachers did not treat me like an outsider. I blended in the school very quickly. All my friends were very nice. My batchmates were very good. The most influential teachers I remember are Hegde sir.
The alumni expressed their gratitude towards Chairman Sir for the wonderful interaction and took home some very pleasant memories.
Can you recall some important school activities which have helped you to improve your personality?
I used to participate in the dance competitions and the annual day functions and all. So that helped me a lot to build my confidence because I used to participate in performing in front of so many people.
Based on the memories, what I have learned from Chairman Sir is that every child has some or the other talent in him, but you are the teachers and the faculty is the one to bring out the talent, shape it, and that's what exactly Ryan does.
Been so far successful in my life because it has all helped me in terms of everything that I do outside. So I guess there are a lot of things which helped me to become whatever I am today.
I've always been good in drawing and I was a speaker of my school, so all these small memories that I have, and it has helped me so much because I've always been into drawing, sketching, handwriting competitions, and that has really helped me, and that really matters to me at this point.
What school has taught me is, to be really outgoing and to express myself in whatever I do. So that has helped me a lot, even in developing my career in sales.
Main thing what I remember is my Mercy Miss, who was with me in 7th standard, my class teacher. She really encouraged me to go for elocution competitions, and also which has made me, become bold and speak in public.
I was always into sports and dancing, so that is something really helped me in shaping my personality.
The activity which I remember is, name it anything, elocution competition, dancing, singing, debate, anything, you can just grow and develop in Xavier's group.
There was newspaper reading contest, there was this spell well contest, and all that contest has, made me build up my personality in the sense I can communicate well. I think this all activities help you to build, what you want to learn and what you want to achieve in your life. So that has, created a platform for us, to go to another level.
So how did you felt after meeting Chairman Sir?
Let me tell you, this was something like after 18 years, which I had never imagined, I would meet him so soon this way, and it was amazing. It was awesome experience.
Talking with Sir, praying with him, sharing the thoughts was really great. He asked us to do something for the nation, a different thought, a different view, something other than our career, something other than our day-to-day life, a responsibility towards the nation. What he asked us was really good, and we'll look upon it and think about it.
So after meeting alumni, as they are doctors, engineers, fashion designers, so how are you feeling right now?
I feel very proud of them. They have chosen their different their careers, and they are done well, and the school gave them a very good foundation, and they are very happy about it, and they love to come back to the school, and it was a great occasion to meet all of them and to have very good interaction and to express joy to them and to their parents and wish them well.